preschool friends, I want to say thank you for your amazing solutions to my problem last week. Here are some pictures of those solutions.
This is my grandma's bowl, and I put the rock in there, and maybe it will float in the water. We'll see.
Oh, did that work?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, it worked that time. No, so what happened to that tube?
It's been cut by my grandma.
Now what's your idea?
It's when we can put this in here, and then we can put it in the water.
And you think it's gonna float?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try it. Oh no, that didn't work. Should we try something else?
You guys are so smart, you should kiss your brain. Kiss your brain. Okay, preschoolers. This week, I have another problem. I made this boat out of aluminum foil, and it floats on top of the water. But I would like it to sink. So you guys have to come up with a solution to make my boat sink. Remember to do the problem-solving steps. Think about the problem. Think of some solutions. Make sure they're safe and they're not going to hurt anyone. And then go ahead and give it a try. And then you have to evaluate it. Did it work? Is there something else I can try? Please remember to send in your solutions to your teachers so we can share them next week. Thank you, preschoolers.